and light up the juice and show you all of that.
So that,
But for now, we're cooking some pumpkin
Pumpkin
coconut soup. So you want to add it now?
yeah, so that they
Alright, so add it, make it cook. So first family have to boil down the coconut so it get the flavor.
Yeah.
And if you know Jamaican style, we make rundown in Jamaica. That's how we'll do it.
yeah.
We'll actually cook it, make it round down, make the coconut go down, and give it that nice flavor,
To
family.
give it a nice flavor.
Yeah.
So now I'll put up the other coconut, that one. The one for
Okay,
making the rice.
guys. I need to show you all of that, guys, because as I know, most Jamaican and most people worldwide, maybe if you're living in diaspora Jamaican, you can't get coconut like this, family. You have to be using coconut milk.
The milk, the condensed one.
But we actually in Kenya, we're getting real coconut, and look how this milk
And it was
is
so thick and rich.
rich.
And oily and
So what else I need to add to this now?